Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to craft Marvel weapon props. First, let's gather our basic supplies. You'll need materials such as EVA foam, which is excellent for lightweight props, along with PVC pipe for structural support. Always remember to prioritize safety, wear protective gloves and eyewear. Work in a well-ventilated area, especially when using adhesives or paints. These initial steps are crucial for a successful and safe crafting experience. Now, let's move on to design and shaping. Start by thoroughly researching your desired Marvel weapon, paying close attention to its unique details and proportions. Create a full-scale template. This will be your guide. Carefully transfer your design onto the EVA foam and cut out the pieces with a sharp craft knife. For curves and organic shapes, a heat gun can gently mold the foam, bringing your prop to life. With the basic shape complete, it's time for detailing and finishing. Add smaller foam pieces, plastic elements, or even craft clay to create intricate textures and raised details. Smooth out any rough edges using sandpaper or a rotary tool for a professional look. Before painting, apply 2 or 3 thin coats of a flexible primer. This step is essential for a durable and even paint application, ensuring your prop looks fantastic. Finally, let's bring your Marvel weapon to life with paint and weathering. Apply your base colors using acrylic paints, ensuring smooth, even coverage. To achieve a realistic, battle-worn look, incorporate weathering techniques such as dry brushing for highlights and washes for shadows. Add subtle scratches or rust effects where appropriate. Finish your masterpiece with 2 or 3 coats of a clear sealant to protect the paint and ensure its longevity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.